we are deriving now the third equation of motion. So till now we have got two equations of motion, and I have here the procedure we have followed for the second equation of motion. Half of that is still on the board, because for deriving the third equation of motion I need the same. I have to follow the same method. So we have considered, once again I'll tell, A acceleration, V naught initial velocity, V final velocity, T is time, X is displacement, and we have got V equal to V naught plus AT. That is first equation of motion, and from that we have V minus V naught equal to AT, or even we can write T equation for T from this, T equal to V minus V naught divided by A. Just to take it as equation 2. We need this equation while deriving this. So I have equation for T here. Just rearranging, you can bring A to the left hand side. So you'll get T equal to, T remaining here. While A comes here, so T equal to V minus V naught by A. Let us take that is equation 2. Now we have considered for the derivation of the third equation the same concept, that is area under velocity time graph gives the displacement. So X should be equal to area under the graph. So area under the graph, as we know, area of the triangle ABC plus area of a rectangle OACD. Okay. So that is equal to half into BC. BC is this side into AC, this side. That is the area of this triangle, and plus OA into OD. OA is this side, OD is this side. That is the area of the rectangle. So that is equal to half into V minus V naught, because BC is V minus V naught. We have half into V minus V naught into T. T is this side, that is equal to this. AC is T, plus V naught into T. OA is, where is OA? OA, yes, OA is this V naught, and OA is V naught, and OD, again OD is T. So we have reached this point similar to the second derivation, and after that what we are doing is, just listen, I will just take T outside. T is common in both the terms, this first term and second term, T is common. So I will just take T outside. So T into, I will take 2 inside. So what will happen? V by 2 minus V naught by 2 plus what is remaining here? T is already taken out, so V naught is remaining. Yes. So X equal to this much I got. I will continue here. There is no space. That is why. So X will be equal to, here T is already there outside the bracket, into V by 2 minus V naught by 2 plus V naught. So here V naught by 2 plus V naught becomes what? This is minus, this is plus, isn't it? So half V naught plus 1 V naught, that is half V naught, right? Minus half V naught plus 1 V naught. So plus half V naught. So what we'll get is V by 2 plus V naught by 2. You understood, I hope. Just look it again. Okay. You can understand. Just hold a moment and look it again. You can understand. Yes. So we are getting X equal to T into V by 2 plus V naught by 2. So this is equal to, so here what I am doing is, I'll just put equation 2 here. So substitute, I will substitute equation 2 here. So I'll get X equal to T. In place of T I have to write that V minus V naught divided by A, that is T, into what is this, V plus V naught. I can write as a common denominator 2. Okay, this is what I get for x. So x is equal to 2a. I can write in the denominator 2a, isn't it? 2a. And this I have to multiply. So v square, v into v, v square, then v into v naught, that is plus v, v naught, then taking v naught here, minus v naught into v, that is minus v naught v, that is remaining, then minus v naught into v naught, that is minus v naught square. So here v naught into v and v naught into v, v naught into v minus v naught into v, these two we can cancel. So what is remaining is, I'll just bring 2a this side, so I will get 2ax is equal to what, v square minus v naught square. Okay, so I'll just rearrange it and I'll write equation for v square. V square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. So this is what I get as a final equation. If it is not visible, I'll write that final equation here. That what I get now is v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. This is what you call as the third equation of motion with a Roman number 3. I have represented it. V square is equal to v naught square plus 2ax. Okay, this is the method of deriving the third equation of motion.